How to withdraw cash from PayPal. If you want to withdraw cash from PayPal, this is how you go about it. So I assume you have money on your PayPal balance. You need to withdraw the money. That is a good decision, but you need to do a few things.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So this is the money I have on my account, and I'm not ready to withdraw this money or cash this money out. But for the purpose of this demo, I'll try to do that. So I'll accept the money as I click on that link, and PayPal says, what do you want to do with the 28 bucks? Do you want to transfer it to your bank or keep it in PayPal? So if you transfer it to your bank, you move money to your bank in minutes for a small fee, or in about a day for free. So you can do that in minutes for a small fee. With PayPal, the only disadvantage I have with PayPal is that their fees are terrible. They'll eat all your money up. I'd rather keep the money in my account and use it for payment. So you can also keep it in PayPal. If you still want to withdraw the money or cash the money out, you click on transfer the money, and you should have two things. You should either link an eligible debit card or a bank account. These are the two things you can withdraw your monies into. So you either have a card that is linked already, or you link your card, or you should have a bank account, mostly a US bank account, or you check your country if it's PayPal compliant, and you can receive monies through your own local bank account. You do that. The other option is the free option, where you have a bank account, a local bank account, and that will only happen if your country has that functionality or have that option of linking a local bank account. Other than that, most of the time it's a US bank account. So you go through this process. You either link an eligible debit card or an eligible bank account. You link the card this way, the card details, the type of card, is a Visa, and link the card. Or otherwise, you link a bank account. And the way you go about that one is clicking on this link, and you link a bank account. You select any of the banks here: Bank of America, Chase, Wells Fargo, PNC Bank, blah blah blah. If you don't see your bank, you click here, and they'll give you options to put in your bank details, a routing number and an account number, mostly from the Americas, and you agree and link. Payoneer used to work with PayPal, but it doesn't work anymore, so you can use your Payoneer account details, the routing and the account number for this purpose. So if you have linked an eligible bank account or a credit or debit card, you can then transfer the money into your debit card or bank account. That is how you cash out your PayPal money. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe to the channel. Click on the like button if you love this video. Click on the notification bell so that you have videos like this sent to you directly, automatically when they are made. Enjoy your day. Keep hope alive. Have any questions? Write in the comments area, and we will deal with it.